In this video, you'll learn how to buy Solana on KuCoin. By the end of this guide, you will understand each step involved in purchasing this cryptocurrency on the platform. Begin by navigating to the KuCoin website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the address for KuCoin. Once the home page loads, you will see various options related to cryptocurrency trading and exchanges. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Buy Crypto. This option is typically found prominently on the home page. After selecting it, a new section will appear outlining different methods for purchasing cryptocurrency. After that, you will see a message indicating that you can buy instantly using various payment methods such as Visa, MasterCard, or bank transfers. Take a moment to review these options to ensure you have a suitable payment method ready. Continue by clicking on the button labeled Trade Now. This action will direct you to the trading interface. Wait for the new page to load completely before proceeding. Once this screen appears, you will see a message that states buy and sell crypto instantly. Here, you will have options to select which cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Click on the buy button to initiate your purchase. Next, select USDE as your currency. This button is usually clearly labeled, making it easy to find. After clicking, the interface will update to reflect your currency choice. Type in the amount of Solana you wish to buy in the designated field. Ensure that you are aware of the current market price and your budget. This information will help you make an informed purchase. Following that, click on the button labeled Crypto. This action will allow you to specify which cryptocurrency you want to buy. Pay attention to the options that appear next. Now click on the search bar that appears. This will allow you to enter the name of the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Type in Sol to find Solana in the list of cryptocurrencies. After typing Sol, click on the Solana option that appears in the search results. This action confirms your selection and prepares you for the next steps in the purchasing process. Next, click on the button labeled Pay With. This will display different payment methods available for your purchase. Select your preferred payment method from the list provided. Choose Google Pay as your payment method. Click on this option to proceed with using this service for your transaction. Ensure your Google Pay account is set up and ready for use. After selecting Google Pay, click on Buy Sol. This will initiate the transaction process and allow you to review the purchase details before finalizing. Next, you will see a screen displaying the payment details, including the amount you are paying. Confirm that the information is correct before moving forward. Click on the button labeled Discount to check if any discounts apply to your transaction. This can potentially reduce your overall cost. Then click on Pay With again to confirm your payment method for this transaction. Ensure that you are ready to proceed with your payment. Locate and click on the Solana price to confirm the current market rate. This ensures you are aware of the price at which you are buying. Next, review the fee associated with the transaction by clicking on the fee option. Understanding the fees will help you gauge the total cost of your purchase. After this, click on your receive estimated to see how much Solana you will receive based on your payment. This information is crucial for understanding your investment. You will encounter a message stating that by proceeding, you confirm that you have read and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Finally, click on the Pay button to complete your transaction. This action will finalize your purchase of Solana on KuCoin. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. If you would like to buy Solana on KuCoin yourself, a link has been provided in the description and pinned comment below for your convenience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.